Aw man, did you lose your wallet again? So sorry to hear that. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. But what if you never want to go through that again? That's where this wallet tracker from SwitchBot can help. Howdy, how's it going? If you've ever had that moment where you reach into your pocket and poof, your wallet's gone, you're going to love the product I'm talking about today. This is the SwitchBot Wallet Finder Card. Let's see if it can really save you from ever having that dreadful "where the hell did I put my wallet" panic set in ever again. The SwitchBot Wallet Finder comes in this neat and tidy little box. It's unremarkable, but inside you get the card itself. Let's open it up here. There's the card. Comes with a little lanyard in case you want to hang it instead of sticking it in your wallet. Some manuals, some paperwork. In any case, so far so good. Looks like a fairly clean solution for the lost wallet problem. In a pretty thin and incredibly light, only 12 grams package. Here's how it compares in thickness to another wallet tracker I recently reviewed, the Eufy E30 wallet tracker. It's about 2.5 millimeters thick, which is a bare 0.1 millimeters thinner than the Eufy 30. And obviously, it's roughly credit card sized. And it includes support for use on the Apple Find My network. Let's talk setup and features, because frankly, if it's too fiddly, it won't get used. But setup is super simple. You just open up your Find My app on your iPhone, tap Add Item, hold down the button on the card for a couple of seconds, pick a name, and then it's ready to go. If you're an iPhone, iPad, or Mac user, you can add this card to your Find My app, but it's also compatible with any Android phones via the SwitchBot app. This card also has a built-in speaker, so you can make a beep to locate your wallet nearby. The SwitchBot is IP67 rated for water and dust protection, which is nice in case you lose your wallet in some sort of dirty environment or drop your wallet at the bottom of a lake or something, or say you accidentally spill something in your bag and it gets all over your wallet as well. There's also smart home integration if you're in the SwitchBot ecosystem. The card can trigger automations with a SwitchBot hub, like when wallet enters home, turn on the lights. That's more of a niche use case, but nevertheless interesting. Let's talk about what impressed me the most with this product. Slimness, fit, and weight. The sheer thinness and lightweight nature means you won't feel a big tracker lump in your wallet if you are used to using an AirTag, for example. The value for the money here is high. You're getting the Find My network and a bunch of additional features for only $13. There's also good tracking coverage, obviously, thanks to the Find My network. So even if you're far away from the wallet, but someone else with an iPhone passes by it, you might still get location updates. I also like the extras, like the smart home NFC features. And you can also enable lost mode using the SwitchBot app to input contact information that will pop up for anyone that scans the QR code on the tracker, which you can see on the back here. As for the drawbacks, well, I think the one and only big one is the non-replaceable battery. The card uses a built-in non-rechargeable lithium-ion battery rated for about 3 years of use. So once it dies, you'll have to replace the entire card. There's also no ultra-wideband precision finding. So unlike some other trackers, for example, like the Apple AirTag, that have UWB and precision finding features. So the SwitchBot card does not. Also, the range and environment issues, because tracking is primarily Bluetooth plus the Find My network rather than full GPS, your results may sort of vary on nearby devices. And as far as environmental sustainability, well, obviously their non-rechargeable battery means you'll be throwing or recycling this thing away after 3 years, which, fair enough, may bother a lot of people. So, final word on this wallet tracker? Well, I like it. If you want a low-profile, ultra-light, wallet-friendly, literally and figuratively, tracker that taps into Apple's Find My network, you've probably found your match. It also happens to have some amazing features. But if you care about sustainability and don't want to shell out $12 every 3 years or so, then this probably isn't your jam. Okay, that's it for my review of this incredibly affordable wallet tracker. If you want to pick one up, I've left a link for you in the description. And as always, if you found this review helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more EDC tech gear reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.